Hello, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to solve a problem with VirtualBox can insert this image. Let's open Oracle VirtualBox. Usually, we click Settings and choose Storage, and we replace this with newer VHD, VDI, or another virtual disk image in VirtualBox. And we can remove this, but if we add plus and choose this and we add new one, for example, I have VHD in this location. This is newer than before, so I click open and you can see there. This is a problem. File to open the disk image and result code E file with some code in here. How to resolve this problem? First, you need to click OK first in here, and then go to the Virtual Media Manager and remove this virtual disk image or VHD. Remove this and delete. You can backup first in your VHD file. Now I click add newer one, or you can directly insert like before in the storage and choose right click and choose hard disk and choose existing disk, and you can add. Now you can open, choose again and click OK. Now the error has done. This problem because you choose the identical with before VHD, so you must remove one, or you can backup first and remove one via VirtualBox Manager. Then you can choose the newer VHD or VirtualBox disk image. That's all. Thanks for watching and bye bye.